Today I have my first unboxing. I'm going to have a little bit of fun here today. So if you're new, subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate it. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Like it or dislike it. Any kind of feedback helps me do this channel. Not exactly what I would have wanted. It's a fairly thick cord. Looks like it's 16 gauge. And here's what I'm interested in. I need 4 PCIe connectors. To run 4 cards. Alright, it looks like it's one of these kind. And SATA, we won't be using any SATA. I do like the cord style though. It makes it nice and tidy when they're not all tangly. I got 2 peripheral with 2 of these floppy drives. I suppose if you're actually running the server power supplies with this one as your main, then that guy right there is perfect. It'll engage the chain sync for them drives to turn them on and off. Let's throw these back in here. We're not going to need those. Nice long cord right there. They give you a whole lot extra. I know how everybody loves the peel. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, be nice if they give you a little tab. So satisfying. It's not bad. If you're doing a pretty build, looks like you can just peel those right off without a heat gun. Let's see what we got here. On our 3.3 volt, it'll handle 25 amps. On our 5 amp rail, 25 amps again. On our 12 volt rail, positive, it'll handle 62 amps. And 12 minus, it'll handle 0.8. It's not bad, 63 amps. I don't want to run that much. Just to conclude, for easy reference, this is what it includes. One of your 24 pin, 1 CPU, 4 PCIe, 8 SATA, 6 of your Molex, and then 2 floppies. Quick, easy, dirty.